This is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. And today I've got one that came out of a ZenPop subscription box. Go on over to zenpop.jp, use that coupon code, the Ramen Raider, get a box coming to your pad, and you'll be stoked like me. It's pretty rad. Check this out. QTTA. I know it looks like a mirror image because it is, but it's not the camera, it's the packaging. This is mystery miso. Mystery spicy miso, I think. Yeah, look at all the craziness in this thing. That's a lot of business going on there, folks. It's a lot of noodly business. I'll put this here. Put this here. Try not to make a mess, but I will, because there's nothing I can generally do about that. I'm a mess maker. There. Ooh. Are you just soaking in or what? There you go. That is up to the freaking line. We're gonna put a this over it, and we're gonna do it for 3 minutes. So let's do our quotes of the day real quick. This is out of the book Momofuku Ando Speaks, quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle. Number 73, try hard to increase revenue, but be frugal of spending what you earn. And number 74, passive efforts to cut costs will not prove effective. We need to meet the challenge head on. Okay. What's everybody been up to? It's Friday for me over here in lovely downtown Kenmore, Washington. It's probably going to hit above 90 degrees today, so that's kind of ridiculous. I live in Washington. It doesn't happen. Not on the west side. Anyway, so a couple days ago, I asked my wife, I was like, so if I walk as far as I can in one direction on the Burt Gilman Trail, will you pick me up when I can't walk no mo? And she said, yeah. So, and then I went and did it, and she picked me up. And boy, my feet are jacked up. I walked 12 miles in like almost 4 hours. I got from here all the way down past Husky Stadium and deep into the University of Washington. And what's funny about it too is that the place she picked me up at was called the Hans Rosling Center for Population Health, and I'd never heard of that. And basically it's like a meeting place for people who are working on like pandemic stuff, which was kind of trippy. Brand new building. We finished building it last August. What was funny too, I was talking to old Stumpy from Arkansas. If you remember, he used to be a guest on the show until he stopped doing that. But yeah, I was talking to him on my Bluetooth, and I sent him a link to it. He's like, dude, there's a live camera. Go where you can be on the live camera. Sent me pictures. He's like, I can see you, dude. You're there, I can see you. I am here. But yeah, my feet are thrashed. They feel like somebody hit the bottom of them with a hammer. It's like I did walk on them for 4 hours straight. I'm kind of used to that, but I don't know. It sucks. So no going out and walking for me today. Although it's going to be really nice out. It's going to be hard for me to resist that. But I think I probably ought to, because if I don't, it could end up being detrimental. No, detrimental. There you go. So that's why I am here cooking for you folks. Somebody said, where's the review? I don't see the review. I'm like, this is the cooking show, not the review show. Let me rephrase that. Where's the cooking? You son of a. But I'll Calm down a little. Just a little. Oh, there's a lot of meat in this. I don't know what the mystery is. It's got kind of a smell though. Let's try the noodle. Ooh. Cheers. Not spicy in the slightest. Not much of a mystery either. It definitely, I would call it red miso. Oh, look at that. Here, you need to go like this. Here, let's do this for you. Is that better? Is that better? There you go. It's a little bit o' beef. I think that's what we're looking at here. Now I'm unsure. I'm not sure about the fact whether it's hot or not. It's not spicy, but it's definitely got the temperature. But these bits of mincemeat here, those are where it's at. That's good. I like that. Yeah, I like that. I'm a firm believer in that. Yes, yes. Alright. So let's do this. I changed up the playlist when I go out walking too. I got new music. I got the basically all the Faith No More and all the Mr. Bungle. I'm still trying to get through all the Mr. Bungle. I only thought there was like 3 albums. I thought there was the self-titled Disco, and then Disco Volante, and then California, and I thought that was it. But there's like a bunch of like demos and this and that. So. That broth is lovely. Look at that broth. Songs have been sung about this broth, it looks like. Take on that color, why don't you? Those were very cooperative egg slices. Once again, as always, I like to thank my lovely wife, Kit, for making these badass eggs. Because they're freaking good and they're wonderful. As is she. Right about there. Yeah. Right there. Yeah, honestly, I will probably get out walking because I just can't take it. It's too nice. I know what winter is like. And then I'll come home and I'll complain about how much my feet hurt. You know. And what else can we slap in there? Slap. Let's get a little seedy. That's what I'm talking about. Should we put some of this in there? I think we should. Let's color this up nicely. There's some pepper rings. Look at that. These are Fresno peppers. Micro sliced. Like they do in Tunisia, you know? You know about that, right? Tunisian micro slicing? Oh, I just made that up. It sounds plausible. No, that way. A little less. There you go. Rock and roll. All right, that's 2 out of 3 for me today. I'm stoked on that. These are the only 3 I've done this week, and I only did 3 last week too. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do some this weekend. Next week's gonna get pretty crazy, so yeah. What we got here? Vite Ramen. If you haven't heard of Vite Ramen, now you have. Go to viteramen.com, check out their stuff. These are like, the whole pack is 500 calories. It's got tons of protein, tons of fiber, low sodium, lots of good stuff. It's just like a complete meal in a bag here. It's good. These guys really do some good stuff. And this is garlic pork tonkatsu version 1.2. They change up the recipe all the time. These guys did a Kickstarter and went way above what they were looking for. And yeah, Tim and Tom, nice guys. So check out their site. This is what you're going to see tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.